Welcome and good morning to this week's digital whole school meeting.
5-week progress reports are coming out this week. Please reflect on your grades. Don't hide the report from your parents. They will see them. And get help if you're struggling by going to tutoring. If you're passing, that's great. Help others as if it helps in both directions.
If you are failing any classes, you will be assigned mandatory tutoring to bring up your grade. Remember, if you have 2 NPs or more, you'll be cut for any ESAT sports you are in until the grades have improved.
Hello, ESAT. Yearbook needs you if you have freshman photos of current seniors. Also, teachers and advisors nominate students for yearbook features based on achievement, accomplishments, or out-of-school success.
If you're interested in coding or computer science, join the program Teens Exploring Technology. The deadline for signups are February 16th, and you can apply in the link above. And just a reminder, this is a males-only program.
Foreign Film Club is hosting French Movie Night this Thursday, February 16th at 4 p.m. in the lecture hall. This will be a fundraising event for the French trip to Canada, so we're going to be selling popcorn, candy, and raffle tickets to win theater movie passes. Show up and you can get extra credit for your French class, because you need it.
The ESAT baseball season is right around the corner, and the time is now for all interested athletes to try out for the baseball team.
Our team has made playoffs 3 years in a row. We're hoping to make it our 4th this year.
Since many members of last year's team graduated, there are plenty of openings for players of all grade levels to make the team this year.
If you're interested in trying out, there is a meeting in Mr. Taylor's room 140 in the CDC, today after school. Tryouts will start shortly after that.
Mr. Taylor encourages all athletes to come to the meeting if at all interested in playing baseball at ESAT and reminds players that they need a current physical on file to be able to practice and play high school sports.
Join Tech Club. Where? Mr. Jaquez's classroom. When? Thursdays during lunch. You should join because you can build an interest in higher education and learn how tech is used in everyday life.
Culinary Club is this Thursday at lunch in Mr. Parker's room, so come learn how to make healthy and environmentally conscious decisions with your food. If you come often, you will be invited to community service events as well. If you're wondering what we're going to make, you're just going to have to come find out.
Bonjour, y'all. French Club is Tuesdays at lunch in Mademoiselle Kowalski's room. Come and play games, eat food, and enjoy French culture.
GSA is meeting today during lunch in Mr. Rosenwasser's room, so anybody, including allies, are welcome to join. So come promote positivity, equality, and make ESAT a better place.
Hey guys, Lead is inviting you to join us at a Heal the Bay beach cleanup event in Santa Monica Pier, and it is on Saturday, February 17th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. If you want any help registering or need any more information, come to the Lead meeting on Tuesday.
Attention clubs.
If you are in any club and interested in advertising it for whole school meeting, prepare your slide before Thursday. Make sure your event or club is approved and email it to Mr. Parker.
And that's what you missed on
ESAT!
Yeah!